Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law, and for this video I broke out a notepad, which means that we're talking about something very important and very specific. We're going to talk about voluntary manslaughter. Almost everyone's heard about like passion killing, something where something happens in a fit of rage or reaction or something like that, and you hear about people getting charged with voluntary manslaughter as opposed to murder. So I wrote down exactly what part of the law about voluntary manslaughter, and I'm just going to read it verbatim. But basically, it's if someone does something that otherwise would have been murder, if they are acting as the result of and the Georgia legislature was very creative here. If they're acting as the result of a sudden, violent, and irresistible passion resulting from serious provocation sufficient to excite such passion in a reasonable person. Now, what does that mean? There's been a ton of cases written about it. There's a shit ton of case law about it. And it's a miracle that the legislature has not come up with some better definition for voluntary manslaughter than that. But as of now, that is what Georgia law is on voluntary manslaughter. It is something that otherwise would be murder if acting as the result of a sudden, violent, and irresistible passion resulting from serious provocation sufficient to excite such passion in a reasonable person. If you've been charged with voluntary manslaughter or murder for that matter, give us a call at 470-635-1725.